about has and have in the last video, right? I explained you one small table for the has and have, where we have to use has and where we use have. So now let's move to the exercise. Complete these sentences with has or have. So students, we have to complete all these sentences with the help of has or have. So now let's move to the first sentence. An owl dash big eyes. An owl dash big eyes. Here we are talking about only one bird, an owl. So what we use has or have. As I told you, in singular, in third person, with he, she, it, we are using has. Or with any single person, animal or any he, she, we can use has. So here what we use? We use has because only one bird is there, an owl. So we write has. An owl has big eyes. Okay. Next, related to this sentence only, we are having a next sentence related to our first sentence. What is written here? All birds dash wings. All birds means बहुत सारी चीजों, बहुत सारे birds की बात हो रही है. Birds have wings. All birds have wings. हमने have क्यों use किया? Because all bird means plural. Plural के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Have. All birds have wings. Okay. Next, they dash a big garden. They dash a big garden. So means what is written here? They. Where we are using they? We are using they in a plural. So हम plural के साथ क्या use करते हैं? We are using have. So they have a big garden. What is written next? It dash 8 legs. It dash 8 legs. So we are talking about single person or single animal, right? So what we write? We write has or have. We write has. Why? Because with he, she, it or any single animal person we are using has. So we write it has 8 legs. What is next sentence? He dash a badminton racket. He means we are talking about single boy, right? He has. He has a. Why we use has? Because here he is written means we are talking about one. Right. Next, we dash blue school bags. We. हम we कहाँ use करते हैं? In plural means we are talking about many persons, right? We have blue school bags. We have blue school bags. Okay, so students, now you are clear where we are using has or where we are using have. Okay. So students, now let's move to our next exercise. Write sentences with has or have and the given words. Write sentences with has or have and the given words. So students, we have to complete these sentences with the help of has or have. Okay. So we have to complete these sentences with the help of has or have. Now what is written in the sentence? First, Anita dash pencil. On the place of dash, we have to put has or have. Here what is written? Anita means they are talking about only single person. What we are using with a single person? We are using has. So what we write? We write Anita has a pencil. Why we are writing a pencil? Because pencil is one. So we are writing Anita has a pencil. have to put full stop. Okay, students, now let's move to the second sentence. Seema and Hina dash two books, has or have. What is written here? Seema and Hina means two persons, so it means plural. So we are using have with the plural. So we write Seema and Hina have. Now students, we are not using a. Why? Because there are two books, means plural, means more than one. So we have to write we have two books. Seema and Hina have two books. Afterwards we have to put full stop. What is our next sentence? Shreya dash cricket bat. Shreya dash cricket bat. So Shreya is only one. So we use has with Shreya. So we write Shreya has. Now again we put a. Shreya has a cricket bat. हमने यहाँ पे एक क्यों यूज किया? Because here we are talking about only cricket bat, means one. Shreya has a cricket bat. After completing the sentence, we have to put full stop. What is next sentence? Jack and Jill dash bucket. Jack and Jill dash bucket. So we are talking about two persons, Jack and Jill. So we are using have. Jack and Jill have a bucket. Why we are writing a bucket? Because bucket is one. So we have to write a bucket. After completing the sentence, we have to put full stop. Okay, so students, now you are clear where we are using has and where we are using have. Okay. Okay students, so now let's move to the next examples. What is written here? Baloo dash red balloon. Here we are talking about only one person. Who is only one person? Baloo. So what we are using with one person or what we are using with he, she, it? We are using has. So what we have to write? Baloo has a red balloon. Okay. So we have to write Baloo has a red balloon. After completing the sentence, we have to put full stop. Okay. So now let's move to the next sentence. Raji and Jalil, a red bicycle. Raji and Jalil, a red bicycle. Here there are two persons, Raji and Jalil. So means plural. Okay, only one person included in the singular, rather more than one we have to include in plural. So हम Raji and Jalil के साथ what we use? We use have. Raji and Jalil have a red bicycle. Okay, so let's start. Raji and Jalil have a red bicycle. After completing the sentence, we have to put full stop. Okay, so student, I hope you understand how to make a sentence with the helping of using has or have. Okay. Refer this video. We will provide homework in our group. We will interact soon in online sessions for your queries and doubts.